Today we had a few stocks pop up. Why don't we look at PFSA, DRMA, and SOPA. So on PFSA, we had a pretty strong move between 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning. It went from around 6 cents all the way up to almost 16 cents. So huge move there relative to its price. So I didn't take any trades on it, but it was interesting just to see how it was moving, especially with like almost 9 candles in a row that were green. Although I don't trade stocks at that price point, it certainly is a good learning experience for me. Next up, we have DRMA. DRMA made a move around 7 o'clock. It went from around $2 to $2.87. Pretty clean action for the first few minutes, and then it got very choppy. Even though the MACD was open, which I feel like it should have closed a little earlier, but even though it was open, we still had extremely choppy action after like the first 7 green candles or so. And we can see that later in the day, it did sell off a little bit. It didn't go super low, but it definitely wasn't at its highs again. If you are enjoying these daily recaps, please consider liking and subscribing or joining our free Discord. So the next stock was actually the first stock, was SOPA. At 4 a.m. it immediately dropped. And then the crazy part is that it made almost 100% move immediately after dropping. By 5 o'clock it was up to 420. But that's where it peaked at. And then going into the open, it just continued to sell off quite a bit. It did have a little pop at 8 a.m. and then also at 9:30, but just with how far below it was off the highs, I did not feel comfortable taking the trade on either of those.